Okay, everybody. Everyone's been talking about the snow that they've had in Pennsylvania, but as you can see here in our section, all we have are leaves and tree limbs. Yes, it is still raining, as you can see from the bird bath here. It's been raining since Thursday. And this is what Miss Khyra has done. Yes, I've included a few pictures on the blog, but she's been out here soaking up the rain. I think she thinks it's going to turn into snow if she sits here long enough. She's decided that she wants to say hi to her friend next door. Yes, he's saying hi back. Khyra, Khyra. Oh yes, big voice. Show your big voice. What? Yes, you want to show everybody all the moisture that's on you? Yes, you want to show them? Look. Oh yes, yum yum. Mom's camera's getting all wet out here. And there's a nice breeze, as you can see by the fluffy tail. See, fluffy tail moving. Yes. Leaves, yes. You don't even want to see what our street looks like. Khyra, showing off for your friends. You don't normally bark at that pup. Well, before I drown, before I freeze, we'll go inside. I hope those of you that have snow are out playing in it. Catch you later.